What are the health and nutritional benefits of prebiotics and probiotics food? Probiotics support the maintenance of digestive and immune health. Probiotics promote gastrointestinal health and may help maintain a barrier against unhealthy microorganisms and inhibit their growth. Yogurt and other fermented foods are probiotic foods. Probiotics are beneficial to gut bacteria, and prebiotics the food feed probiotics. Prebiotics are types of fiber found in vegetables, fruits, and legumes. Prebiotics is not digested in the stomach. Instead, it stays in the bowel and helps certain beneficial bacteria to grow. Foods high in prebiotics fiber include beans and peas, legumes, oats, bananas, berries, asparagus, onions, leeks and garlic. People often consider bacteria and other microorganisms harmful germs. However, many microorganisms are helpful. For example, some bacteria help digest food, destroy disease-causing cells, or help produce some vitamins. In addition, many of the microorganisms in probiotic foods are similar to microorganisms that naturally live in our bodies. It was indicated that prebiotics and probiotics might treat diarrhea, allergic disorders and irritable bowel syndrome. Prebiotics and probiotics have also been suggested as natural remedies for obesity. It is also studied that probiotics may alleviate inflammations. It has been shown by research results that probiotics may lower blood cholesterol levels and blood pressure and help prevent some allergy symptoms. Some research also shows that probiotics may reduce obesity-related inflammation and insulin resistance. Additionally, probiotics may also promote brain and mental health.